Hello, and welcome to Research in Music Education. I'm Dr. Bill Bauer, the developer of this course. You may be wondering exactly what this class is all about. In this video, I'll talk a little about music education research in general, discuss some of the typical activities that will be engaged with each week in the class, and also let you know about some features of this course that are unique. Let's start by looking at 3 questions that you may have as you begin this class. First, you may wonder, what is music education research? Why are you being asked to learn about music education research? And why would anyone want to do music education research? Here's a quote which I really like that really sums up research for me. Research is formalized curiosity. It is poking and prying with a purpose. To me, research really is about being curious. It's about learning, finding answers to questions you may have. Since as teachers, we are all about learning, I think you'll come to appreciate and enjoy research. You can think about the formal research components as having 5 components. First, finding the questions to ask. We will begin identifying your questions during the first week of the class in a discussion activity about your wonderments. More about that a little bit later. Second, asking the question you found. Once you've found a question of interest, a research study must be designed to ask it in a systematic and unbiased way. Third, measuring the answers you received. When a question is asked, answers will be received, and determining how we're going to measure and interpret those answers is an important aspect of designing and conducting a research study. Fourth, analyzing the questions you measured. Once we've collected our answers, or in research lingo, our data, we have to analyze them in order to make sense of the information we've collected. Fifth, telling others what you found. Finally, we want to tell others about what we've learned through writing about it, presenting it, and through other means. During this class, you'll get to experience all of these aspects of the research process. So why are you being required to study research? First, studying research will help you to be able to be an intelligent consumer of research. To become an intelligent consumer, you have to develop critical thinking skills to know what needs to be discerned in regards to any research you happen to come across. You also have to understand the vocabulary used by researchers so that you can be able to read research with understanding. In addition, being an intelligent consumer of research will help you to be aware of the potential oversimplification or misapplication of research findings by the media and others. And this can often result in misrepresentation of research findings. Why else might we want to study research? Well, to be able to improve teaching practice from the results of research. We can learn a lot from existing research that can help us be better teachers for our students. And finally, to be able to do research. Teachers can do research in their own classrooms that will inform their teaching practice. All of you will do some type of research at the end of this degree program, taking the form of your capstone project. So why do music education research? To find answers to questions that you have about music teaching and learning, and we all have those questions. To expand the knowledge base of the profession, to help with the positive evolution of music education. To develop professionally and to satisfy your intellectual curiosity. And finally, to have fun. Yes, doing research really can be fun. Just as it is a great feeling to complete a fine performance at the end of a concert, it can also be very enjoyable to engage in the process of research and learn something new, perhaps something that you are the first to discover and formally validate. So that's the big picture of research in music education. Now let's delve into some of the specifics of this class. Each week will include a set of activities to help you develop your knowledge and skill in music education research. As is the case with other courses in the online degree program, there will be assigned reading, videos to watch that have been selected to help further your understanding of key aspects of the class, weekly discussions that revolve around the topic that is the focus of a module, and projects to apply what you're learning. Some of the projects are small, completed within 1 week, and others are larger, spread out over a number of weeks. The syllabus has an overview of the class projects, and we'll talk more about their details as we get to them in the course. I hope that gives you an overview of where we're headed over the next 8 weeks. We will have similar introductory videos at the beginning of each module, so make sure you watch those. The other instructors and I look forward to working with you in this class. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have questions or concerns. We hope you enjoy and benefit from the class. Thanks.